boys, welcome back. This is it. I am finally going to try to start this 1977 911S. So I tried to start this a few weeks ago and I was beating my head against the wall. I could not figure out why it wouldn't start. I pulled my supply line off of the fuel filter and cranked it. Instead of the fuel coming out of the supply line, it came out of the filter, which means when I redid the fuel lines in this car, I somehow swapped the supply and the return line. In order to fix that, I had to drop the transmission crossmember and take apart a bunch of stuff. All right, enough talking. Let's see if this thing runs. This is open headers, no muffler.
God, do you not have the exhaust on or something?
There's no muffler on it.
Okay, I was like, what the hell?
Hold on. Well done. Yeah.
Oh, see, it's so cute.
Wait, what were you saying, Sarah?
We have a table that has a glass insert and it's vibrating so hard I thought it was gonna break. And then stuff fell down off the wall in the bathroom.
Awesome!
This is ridiculous. Also, I sent you a video of the dog going, eh. You should put it in your video.
Was that car too loud? Oh, baby.
He's so upset. You have to stop. I'm sorry, you have to stop.
It runs!
It's great.
She's so stoked.
I'm so excited.
All right, boys, she runs. I'm so stoked about this. This has been the biggest project of my entire life. It's taken me almost 3 years. Granted, I was doing some other things in the middle there. Just want to say thank you to everyone who has helped me out, the Midwest 911 crew, Pelican Parts, all you guys. I could not have done this without your knowledge and expertise, so that's what I appreciate about you. I do have some news. This is a brand new channel, so if you've seen any of this content before, that was my old channel. That is going to be focused specifically on marine content, fast boats, that kind of thing. This channel is going to be called Advanced Garage. This is going to include all the stuff that happens in here. So 911 stuff, Jag stuff, BMW stuff, Honda stuff, snowmobile stuff, as well as going out west and hopefully building an advanced garage, all right? So again, this is the first video on this channel. So please leave a comment, like it, subscribe if you haven't. All right, cheers dudes, stay tuned until the next one.